Hey, welcome to my SmartEbook AI review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that lets you create, publish, and sell ebooks, audiobooks, and even video books, all in just 60 seconds. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to write a single word, design anything, or have any prior experience. Just enter a keyword, and SmartEbook AI does the work for you. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades, OTOs, so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help you find the best tools to make money online. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These bonuses will help you maximize your profits with SmartEbook AI, so check the description for details before they're gone. So, what is SmartEbook AI? SmartEbook AI is a cloud-based AI software that allows you to create stunning ebooks, audiobooks, and video books with just a few clicks. It's designed for anyone who wants to publish and sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon KDP, Google Books, and Apple Books, create audiobooks and video books to reach a wider audience, use ebooks as lead magnets to build an email list and drive sales, monetize with clickable links and CTAs inside ebooks to generate affiliate commissions. No writing, no problem. The AI creates everything for you, making it beginner-friendly and hassle-free. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. SmartEbook AI gives you the tools and training, but your success depends on how you use them. If you're willing to take action, this can be a game changer. Standout features that caught my eye: auto-publish to top platforms, publish ebooks on Amazon KDP, Google Books, and Apple Books in one click. Create and sell in 60 seconds. No writing, no designing. Just enter a keyword and let AI handle the rest. AI-powered audiobook maker. Convert ebooks into professional audiobooks with AI voiceovers. One-click AI video book creation. Transform ebooks into animated video books with voiceovers and background music. Clickable links and CTAs. Add affiliate links, ads, and lead forms to drive massive traffic and sales. 100% cloud-based, no installation needed. Access from anywhere. AI auto image generation. Instantly creates stunning ebook covers and images with AI. How it works. Super simple. 1. Enter a keyword. Choose a niche or topic. 2. AI generates your ebook. It writes, formats, and creates a professional design. 3. Customize and brand. Add your logos, links, and branding to make it unique. Publish and sell. Instantly upload to Amazon, Google Books, or your website. That's it. No tech skills, no writing, just let AI do the heavy lifting. Let me quickly show you a demo so you can see it in action.
Using SmartBook AI, you can use the latest AI models like DeepSeek, ChatGPT 4.5, Claude Sonnet 3.7, Grok 3, and create 3D animated ebooks and flipbooks with a single keyword prompt in any niche and language in just 30 seconds. The question is, what is the use of an ebook? How do you make money with it? Recently, we made, let me take a screenshot, $17,259 from one single ebook. But is there any other way to make money with ebooks? To know more, I came to ChatGPT and I asked, hey, give me all the different ways to make money with ebooks. And ChatGPT gave me 10 different ways. For example, you can sell ebooks on Amazon as paperbacks or ebooks. Self-printed, make an audiobook. Talking about audiobook, SmartBook AI is capable of turning ebooks into professional audiobooks with AI-generated voiceovers. How cool is that? But ChatGPT didn't stop there. It also gave us money-making potentials from each method. And look at this, 5 out of 5, 4 out of 5, 4 out of 5, it's amazing. Then I thought, why not I use Perplexity AI to go a little deeper? And Perplexity gave us total 25 ways to make money using ebook. So one ebook can make you money in 25 different ways. Elon Musk's AI platform Grok gave me another 8 ways to make money from one single ebook. But I didn't stop there. I went to DeepSeek and asked the same question. DeepSeek gave me another 10 ways to make money with a single ebook. And this looks very interesting to me. Video books? You can turn your books into video books and basically use them as short videos for TikTok, YouTube, and the earning potential in this method is 4 out of 5. And guess what? SmartEbook AI can convert ebooks into engaging AI-powered video books with animations, background music, and voiceovers. Whenever you're ready, just click the button below this video or wherever you find this button, click on this button, make the one-time payment, and lock in your access to SmartEbook AI and start getting results right away. I came to AI and I'm doing a deep research on book business. So here's what I wrote. I want to buy an AI book creation software that writes books. Below are the features and benefits of the software. But before that, I want you to do a deep research on book market to know the profit potential for 9 to 5 employees who want to earn extra income from a side hustle and who have maximum 2 to 3 hours per day to invest in a side hustle. Use 6th graders reading level throughout the chat. Use bullet points, text, and highlights. Use tables, serial numbers, key points, why, ratings out of 5, and reason for the rating in columns. And then I provided the features of the AI software. And then go. I selected deep research on one of the most popular AI research software, Perplexity. Click go and let Perplexity do the research. But I didn't stop there. I came to Grok using Grok 3 and I want Grok to do a deep research as well. Go. But why not use DeepSeek, the ChatGPT killer, and use their Deep Think feature to give us a research report. You can see Perplexity is almost done, giving us a full report. And I found something interesting. Some publishers report earning upwards of $5,000 monthly from well-designed, low-content books that meet specific market needs. Interesting. Grok is still working on it. It looks like Grok went really deep analyzing and give you a realistic report. For example, given the time constraint of 2 to 3 hours daily, equating to 14 to 21 hours weekly, the feasibility depends on how efficiently tasks are managed. And the whole scenario is leading to approximately 30 books monthly. And from monthly earnings from 8 books would be approximately $1,396. However, achieving 50 sales per book requires effective marketing, which is challenging with limited time. And that's why you can add affiliate marketing and lead generation. If done right, 8 books will generate 2,496 leads daily. And then through email marketing, you can make good money. Let's see what DeepSeek gives us. Their report is much smaller than others, but it looks quite straightforward. DeepSeek even gave you popular niches like self-help, romance, kids books, cookbooks, and the profit potential is 4.5 out of 5. Not bad. 2 to 3 hours per day is enough to create 1 to 2 ebooks daily with AI. And here is a realistic profit potential table. Publish 10 books, that will take 5 to 10 hours. Your estimated potential earning is $200 to $500 per month. Expecting one book will earn $20 to $50 per month on the average. Audiobooks, 1 hour per book will be $50 to $100 profit per month, and it will get you extra audience, which are busy listeners. And when you get these listeners, they are not just everyday Joe, they are mostly busy 9 to 5 employees or businessmen. They have money and they are repeat buyers. Video books, 30 minutes per book, that will give you a potential earning of $100 to $300 per month. And they can go viral on TikTok and YouTube and help you earn money from those views. Now, based on the features of the software, DeepSeek also mentioned why this software is good for you. Speed. It makes ebooks in 30 seconds. Okay, it might take 1 minute for you, but let's face it, writing a book in 1 minute? Really? That's amazing. It's an all-in-one tool. It creates books, audiobooks, and video books, and you can sell it everywhere. Auto-publishes to Amazon, Google, and Apple Books. On top of everything, your investment is backed up by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, Perplexity's report is huge, and I don't have time to read all this, so I'll go back and say, basically give me the report in the form of tables. Okay, now the table is forming. The earnings table for beginning self self-publishers. First 3 months, $50 to $300. Publish first book, learn marketing. Then in 6 months, your potential will be $300 to $1,000. Have 2 to 3 books published and you already learned better marketing. In 1 year, your income will be $1,000 to $3,000 potentially, while you published 4 plus books and you established your own audience. But hey, this income potential is only up to 10 plus published books. Why would you stop in making 1 to 10 books? Perplexity even provided some niches that have high potentials, and according to Perplexity, the software's value for busy people is almost all 5.5, 4.5, 4.5 and 5.5. Amazing. However, the marketing tool is only 3.5 because the only thing it does is uploading the books. And finally, it provided some real results. Month 1, your expected income will be $0 to $50. Month 2, $50 to $200. Month 4 to 6, $200 to $500. Month 7 to 12, $500 to $2,000. That's from 6 to 10 books in your catalog. With this kind of software, in fact, you can make 6 to 10 books per day without any issues. And here are some pros and cons of the software. AI content creation feature is valuable and it has a rating of 5 out of 5 because it creates books content quickly. Done for you cover creation. This is valuable because you're getting professional covers without design skills, and professional cover is very important to get customers for your books. Publishing automation has 4.5 rating because it saves time on technical setup. Multi-format like eBook, audiobook, and video book is 4 out of 5 because it maximizes earning from one single content piece. Ready to use content library. You can just start with pre-made content. You don't have to do your own research and spend time on boring research. If you ask for my honest opinion, you should look at the website. See the steps. All you have to do is log in. And in a very short time, like 30 seconds to 1 minute, you can create a book. You upload your book automatically and make money. Regular people are doing it. Literally hundreds, if not thousands of people are doing it. Read all these benefits. See if this fits you. Because at the end of the day, as a 9 to 5 employee or a student or a businessman, you have at least 2 to 3 hours to spend on a side hustle that can turn into a profitable long-term business. If you want to generate passive income without showing face, without quitting your day job, and without spending a lot of time, then SmartEbook AI can be game changer for you. All you need to do is to click the button below this video or wherever on this page you find this button. Click on this button, make the payment, and you will be instantly taken to your application dashboard. And I will be waiting for you inside. Look at the limitless possibilities. AI is not the future, it's the present. And you are using the latest AI technologies to build the best quality books in the fastest speed possible. You're using multiple different ways to create ebooks and flip books. You can turn your book into voiceover, publish that as audiobook or podcast. With podcast, you can just get traffic and sell more. And as an audiobook, you make money directly. The most interesting for me is video book. Video books is amazing for more visual people, especially kids. Plus, for those who are scared of starting something from scratch, you have 50,000 plus ready to sell books and 1 million articles that you can just grab and start from there. You can auto-publish to Amazon KDP, Google Books, and Apple Books and make money selling your book directly from those marketplaces. You don't have to download or install anything into your computer because it's 100% cloud-based. Plus, there is an automatic mailer. This automatic mailer will send emails to your potential customers and leads and sell more. AI auto image generation for ebooks. This will help create book images and your book cover. Turn every ebook and flip book into lead magnet. This is for those who understand that money is in the list of email subscribers. Every single business owner builds a list of leads, potential leads, and customers. The book you created in just 30 seconds can be given away for free in exchange of email addresses. And you can use your AI-powered automailer service and send them promotional emails and sell more down the line. You can sell your own products or your own books. You can sell other people's products as an affiliate and earn passive affiliate commissions. You don't have to worry about generating flipbook titles and descriptions because it's all auto-generated with AI. Oh, something awesome. You don't have to limit your sales and income from only English-speaking customers because you can sell your books to multiple language-speaking customers. In case you're interested to create a book generation or book publishing agency, then this done-for-you ebook agency business kit can be handy. AI-powered QR code generator, and after all this, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. The most important for me, currently we are selling this at a one-time price. This is crazy because all other AI softwares have recurring billing. They charge you monthly or annually. So whether you use them or you don't use them, you have to pay monthly or annual recurring fees. But in our case, it's a crazy low one-time price. Here are some of the screenshots of Fibers who offer flipbook service, and they made money from this service. Or they make different kinds of books like kids eBooks, puzzle eBooks, or even done for you e-covers, gaming eBooks. Go through this website and I want you to take a wise and fast decision. Because if you really want to avoid showing your face on social media or avoid dancing on TikTok, then this book publishing business might be for you. You can make money selling your own book or offering book creation service to marketplaces like Fiverr or Upwork. These screenshots are from Upwork. Some of the screenshots are from people per hour. If you think this is one of the best ways to earn passive income for 9-to-5 employees or business owners or freelancers, students, busy parents, and literally anyone who has a computer, mobile phone, and internet connection, then click this button below this video and get your access at a one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.
Upgrades OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the front-end version, $14, you'll see some powerful upgrade options. Here's a quick breakdown. OTO 1, SmartEbook AI Pro, $37. Unlimited eBooks, audiobooks, and videobooks, AI-powered branding and tag customization, add logos and watermarks. Multi-language support, sell eBooks globally. OTO 2, AI Automation Suite, $97. AI Automailer, send email sequences and promotions automatically. DFY eBook Agency Kit, start your own eBook publishing business. Lead Magnet Generator, generate thousands of leads with eBooks. OTO 3, DFY Profit Pack, $77. Done for you eBooks and flipbooks. Pre-made sales pages and funnels, AI-generated SEO optimized titles and descriptions. OTO 4, AI Video Creator and Traffic Booster, $67. Convert eBooks into viral AI-powered video books. Auto-share to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. AI-powered QR codes for instant mobile access. OTO 5, Reseller License, $77. Sell SmartEbook AI as your own software. Keep 100% of the profits. Full marketing materials and support included. Pick the ones that fit your goals and skip the rest. What I love about SmartEbook AI, perfect for beginners. No writing or design skills needed. Saves time with AI automation and pre-made templates. Multiple ways to make money. Sell on Amazon, use as bonuses, or generate leads. What could be better? While it's a powerful tool, it's not a replacement for professional writers. If you want a deeply researched, high-quality book, you may still need to edit and refine the AI content. Final verdict, should you get it? If you're looking for an easy, AI-powered way to create, publish, and profit from ebooks, then SmartEbook AI is 100% worth it. You can sell ebooks, audiobooks, and video books, publish on Amazon KDP, Google Books, and Apple Books, monetize with affiliate links and CTAs inside your ebooks. And the best part, right now, you can grab SmartEbook AI for just $14 one time. But hurry, this deal won't last forever. Click the link below and grab SmartEbook AI now. Special bonus, if you grab SmartEbook AI plus any upsell today, I'll give you exclusive ebook marketing guide. Learn how to sell 10x more ebooks. Private training on Amazon KDP success. Discover how to rank and profit from Amazon books. Just send me your receipt and I'll send you the bonus. Thanks for checking out my SmartEbook AI review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one. Blast off!